I have a story about a little girl who had fun visiting her grandfather. Do you want to listen to it?
Yes!
Let's go! Here it is. Listen, listen, I have a story. What is the story about? Listen, listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is the story about? The title of our story is A Day of Fun by Divine Love Astor Salvador. Pepay visited Lolo Pilo. Lolo Pilo! Lolo Pilo, I'm here now! Pepay called out. Where are you? She asked. I'm in the kitchen, Lolo Pilo answered. Lolo Pilo was happy to see Pepay. Let's have fun today, Pepay, Lolo Pilo said. Yippee, said Pepay. What do you want to do? Lolo Pilo asked. I want to make fruit gelatin, Pepay answered. Great, Lolo Pilo said. I like fruit gelatin. So, Lolo Pilo and Pepay made gelatin. That was fun, said Pepay. Oh, yes, it was, Lolo Pilo said. Oh, but the gelatin needs a long time to set. Oh, let's do something else. What do you want to do? Pepay asked. And Lolo Pilo answered, how about cha-cha? I want to dance the cha-cha. Great, Pepay said. I love dancing. So, Lolo Pilo and Pepay danced the cha-cha. That was fun, Lolo Pilo said. Now, let's do something else. What do you want to do now? Lolo Pilo asked. And Pepay answered, how about soccer? I want to play soccer, Lolo Pilo. So, Pepay and Lolo Pilo played soccer. That was fun, Pepay said. Now, what do you want to do, Lolo Pilo? I want to eat the gelatin, Lolo Pilo answered. I want to eat the gelatin too, Pepay said. So, Lolo Pilo and Pepay ate the gelatin they made. That was so much fun, they said. It truly was a fun day for Pepay and Lolo Pilo. The end.
Read it, speak it,